valvuloplasty. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start this topic, valvuloplasty. What is this? What is valvuloplasty? So here we know that this is also known as balloon valvuloplasty or balloon valvotomy. So different terms are used for valvuloplasty. Here we use the another term balloon valvuloplasty or balloon valvotomy, and this is a procedure to repair heart valve that has narrowed opening. Okay, so when a heart valve has a narrowed and there is a narrowed opening because of the thickening of the heart valve. Okay, so in such condition, the heart valve needs repairing, and we can go for the valvuloplasticity or valvuloplasty process. In a narrowed heart valve, what happens? The valve flaps, or what we say, leaflet of the valve, may become thick or may become stiff, and after that they fuse together, and we call it the condition as a stenosis. Or so it can be mitral valve stenosis, it can be uh, aortic valve stenosis. So we studied various stenosis according to the type of the heart valve which has involved. So during stenosis, what happens? We have studied that the heart valve become thick or stiff or they fuse together, and because of that the heart valve opening become narrow. So this reduces blood flow through the heart valve. Okay. Next, we can see the procedure, how it happens, how usually we do the procedure of the valvuloplasty. Okay, in valvuloplasty your doctor insert a very small narrow hollow tube, we call it as a catheter, into a blood vessel which is present in the groin region. This is the groin region. Okay, so here your doctor usually insert a catheter from these blood vessels which is present near the groin region, and this catheter is advanced, okay, towards the heart. So we can see the catheter has arrived into the heart. Okay, and here one of the valve is being corrected. So it has shown that catheter placed through the femoral vein to heart. Okay, so here is one of the specific vein which has shown here is a femoral vein which is present in the femur region. Okay, and the catheter is advanced towards the heart, and the balloon, now the catheter once entered near the abnormal valve, so the balloon we can see expands to place new valve inside the existing valve. So here new valve is being placed. This is the mechanical or artificial valve, what do we say. And in this way the abnormal heart valve which are thickened, which are stiff, and which are undergone through the stenosis process can be corrected. There are various approaches for doing the procedure. Like we can do the transfemoral approach, as already we seen in the previous slide, that femoral vein or the vein which is present in the groin region is inserted with the catheter, and the catheter is advanced toward the heart, and the heart valve which are abnormal can be corrected. Okay, or it can be treated. Another way, it is a transapical approach. So we do the small incision over here, okay, in the apical part of the, through the apical part of the heart. Heart has a apical and base. So for apical region, we insert we do some incision, and then we approach to correct the the defective heart valve. Here, transaortic approach. So we directly do the small incision near the aortic region of the heart, and where we do the correction of the valve which are defected. Okay, so different approach are used, where we insert a catheter, or we insert artificially made heart valves. Okay. Here we are going to know is aortic valvuloplasty, where basically the aortic valve which are abnormal, which has undergone through the stenosis process, so it is being it will be corrected. So aortic valvuloplasty, also known as balloon aortic valvotomy, and here a stenotic aortic valve is widened using a balloon catheter. So the valve, which is specifically we call it as a aortic valve, okay, and this aortic valve which has undergone through the stenosis process, so it usually become narrow. Now it is widened using a balloon catheter. The balloon is placed into the aortic valve, okay, and that has become stiff from the calcium buildup. So the aortic valve, which has become very stiff, very hard, okay, and very rigid. Why? Because of the calcium buildup. So this stenotic aortic valve usually is corrected through the placing a balloon inside the aortic valve, and now the aortic valve will recover the function as what it does in the normal healthy person. The balloon is then inflated in an effort to increase the opening size of the valve and improving blood flow. So here the balloon is inflated. It is opened, and which will increase the opening of the size. Usually the size of the valve, which are where the blood flows, it becomes usually narrow. So the purpose of this treatment is we need to widen the opening. Okay, so the balloon here is used to inflate the valve, and there will be the increase in the opening of the valve size, and this will improve the flow of the blood. So what we call as a aortic valvoplasty. What is a mitral valvuloplasty? So when we are talking about here a mitral valve here, so mitral valve get affected here. So when the mitral valve flaps become thick or stiff, or when they fuse together, or what we call as a stenosis here, stenosis of mitral valve. So mitral valvoplasty can be done. This procedure can be approached. So mitral valvoplasty is a procedure to repair a heart valve that has a narrowed opening. Okay, so it repair basically the mitral valve, and when it becomes narrowed in opening. Okay, so it is a surgical procedure. Okay, mitral valvuloplasticity is also a surgical procedure used to open the narrowed heart valve, and this procedure is sometimes referred to as a balloon enlargement of a narrowed heart valve. So we always sometimes call it as a balloon enlargement of the narrowed heart valve. So in the common language, we can say we say that there is an insertion of the balloon which enlarge the narrowed heart valve, right? So here we have completed, and we can see this is the mitral valve, okay, and here a balloon has been inserted, and this balloon has become inflated, and now it will work. It will widen this metal valve. The opening will be widened, and now the opening once becomes widened, so the flow of the blood will be normal as it is what happens in the normal patient. What is valvuloplasty procedure? Here, valvuloplasty procedure is done to repair the stiff heart valve. So this is what we can say. It is done using a catheter and a small incision. So here, two things are required. One is in small incision is required, right? And through that small incision, we insert a catheter, and this catheter contain a balloon which is inflated at the area of the heart valve, and finally, what happens? The valve which is defected, which can be corrected. So we have completed the valvuloplasty. Okay, if you have any confusion, if you have any question, please ask me. Any question, please? Any question? So masses, no question. All clear. Vidhi has said it's all clear. Thank you. So there is no question, and should stop.